Hey, it's Scott Off-Road. How you doing today? Well, we're in the garage on a crisp, cool November day. We're getting ready to put an AEV 3.5-inch lift in the JK. Why don't you come along, see what we do. Alright, this is not going to be a how-to video. This is going to be how I do video. Now I was thinking, ooh, I'm going to get all excited and get ahead of schedule and start taking things apart, which actually I am. The entire suspension lift is out for delivery for today. So just trying to get a jump on things, get it ready so I can start as soon as it gets here. But I got ready to second guess the instructions and start on the front, because the front's always the most complicated. Figure I can whip through that first and then just skate through the back end. But on this particular lift, you use the rear sway bar end links and put them on the front. So you kind of have to do the back first. Gosh darn it. Now one thing I am doing that's a little extra on this lift is, as I am using a tool, I'm writing down what tool it was so I can make sure I have that in my tool bag when we go overlanding and go jeeping. Also, I have been stockpiling skid plates. So in order to do this lift, you have to loosen the control arms, take the shocks out. Well, the skid plates I bought are for the control arms, and with those you have to loosen the control arms and take the shocks out. So no sense duplicating the work. I'll just do them both at the same time. Directions do not call to put grease inside your bushings for your control arms. I highly recommend it. I've had these things rust out and have to cut those bolts and replace bushings, and it sucks. These are the Rancho control arm and shock skids. Not sponsored by, but I put these on the Gladiator and absolutely loved them. And they just simply slide over your existing mounts and you run your bolts through. Well, it's been about 4 hours and we're kind of wrapping up right here, getting the last sway bar link and the brake line relocation bracket on. And when I mean wrapping up, I mean just the back. We still got the front to do. And it looks like I'm gonna have to turn this bolt around so it doesn't hit the spring. Joys! Time to get back to it. Well, everything's in the back, it's loose. Now we're moving on to the front. Tires are off, drive shaft's unhooked, and automatic transmission skid plates out. Keep plugging away. Yeah, you'll laugh at this. Call tech support, because that's where I started my day.
Just hand tighten that.
So, hey, doing this lift, got a question on the springs. He goes, okay. answers the questions. Yeah, short springs in the back, tall springs in the front.
Yep.
Okay. Because yeah, no part numbers on the springs, but the directions don't have part numbers.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice, you bastards. It's like, oh, well, I got ya. Your directions say nothing about Loctite. Oh, we don't use Loctite. What? What do you use? Anti-seize. What? Oh yeah, we find that people tend to take their suspension components back off, so we just make it easy. All right, boys and girls, this is gonna get epic. The jack stand is leaning. We're close. You got a 2x10 on end.
Well, that would have worked.
It would have worked. Okay, can you push it back? I've got it lifted up. Can you push? Okay, now we gotta get the block in there. Right there. Get this out. All this to tighten that bolt on the top of the shock. This sucks. We did the drop bracket here. And then we did rock hard front control arm skids, but we painted those red to match the red ones in the back. Well, it's time to pull it into the alignment shop and see just how far off the alignment is on this Jeep. Really, I was quite surprised. This thing was really close and it aligned out really nice. But we did have one issue, and we're going to see that right here in about now. Yep, our camber is at 0.8 degrees off on the driver's front, and what I was told is the only way to fix that is to put an adjustable ball joint in. But they also said it shouldn't affect tire wear or ride quality, so we're just going to keep an eye on it. Overall, really happy with the lift. Thanks for coming along, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, you fix the Jeep fixes you. We'll see you at the next episode.